one is for feed.
The mixer.
Okay. So this is the one that you
This
mill
is
here.
concentrate. Concentrate, yes. We use the concentrate to mix the feed.
The feeds.
Yes.
So those two are the mixers.
The mixers, yes.
So the one that you use to feed the chicken is coming from here.
Yes.
Okay, so you don't need to buy now.
No, we just bought the raw materials and use ourselves.
Better. Are you also selling?
Selling the feed? No, it's just for here.
Just for here?
Yes.
Because you have many chicken.
Yes, we have about 30,000.
30,000 chicken.
Yes.
So we are here in the poultry of my husband's relation. So that one, that's where they mill all the feeds for all those chicken, because they have 30,000 chickens over here. I think they also have pig. That one? Okay. Are you looking for Oyibo? Are you looking for Oyibo woman?
Oyibo woman, yes.
Anyone who's interested?
I will like Oyibo woman.
He's just here. He's just here. He's an engineer. Anyone available? Message me.
He has pieces of the machine.
Yeah. I will link you to him. Let's go. See eggs. You see the eggs? Eggs. So we're going to the chicken. Oh. Okay. Cemented. It's good. So you see the style they're doing here. Once they lay egg, the egg will come here, and then the workers will now pick all these eggs. There are many, and not only this, they also have the bar, the Forest Park View. I went there last night, so I think the chicken that they are selling there, the eggs, all came from here. There's too many. Hello, chicken. This is nice, oh. This is one big poultry. This is my first time that I came here. I didn't know that they have this one. So they're picking eggs. Wow! Many. This is what we call organic egg in my country.
Pure organic.
And this type of egg is very expensive compared to the white one. This is the one that I usually buy. Pure organic. See your eggs, so who lay those eggs?
So as I was saying yesterday, your print is normally 30.
30, okay.
30 pieces. That's all the one plate of egg.
Okay, and then you will buy
They have the hatchery there.
you will buy the old chicks.
Just the old.
So these ones are all female.
Yes, all
Hen.
female, yes.
They're all hen. Wow! You don't have cockfighting here in Nigeria, right?
What?
Cockfighting.
No.
That the two male chicken will going to fight, and then people will bet.
Okay, they are doing that one at Lagos, Abuja, even in Enugu here, yes.
Because that one in my country, it's a big business. There's legal and illegal, but it's a big business. A lot of people are addicted.
And contribute money. Then.
Yes. I have a friend from Canada who can spend, let's say in Naira, can spend like maybe 200,000 Naira just for one day for cockfighting. Few hours actually.
Hey.
That one is only few hours. See them, there are many. 30,000. Oh, there's one chicken that died. You see? Sick. So you're treating them. Yeah, I see.
Let's move to another house.
That one. You're treating that chicken. You're treating that one. Okay. This one is many. And actually, this place is clean, no? It's clean.
Yes.
It's clean. It's not like other poultry that it really smells and
No,
because it's cemented.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is cemented.
Yes.
It's not the ordinary. Because it will be muddy. This place is inside village. So if you want to come here, you use Okada or the one that we use, the pickup truck. If you use ordinary car here, good luck. Good luck. You will say goodbye to your car after a few months. And they have water here, oh.
Yes.
This one coming from Bohol. Okay. This one is hard water from the Bohol, from under the soil, under this land. Hi! There are many. We are, how many? You have 3 like this. 4. 5. Okay.
And the piggery is down there.
Ay! You know what? If we smell piggery, it's very, very smelly. But we always say that one is the smell of money. Filipinos like pork so much. Our national food is lechon. It's a pork.
Okay.
Yes, that's why I can eat pork.
Okay.
This
They
one.
look as they are picking the egg.
Yes. So, this one, they already picked the eggs. You see the eggs is already there. This one, not yet. This egg. Where's the egg? Yeah, this one. This side. So, they have their own assignment. Very big. This one is really, really big. They have 5 of this, and they have a piggery down. And per day, they can get
fish pond.
they also have fish pond. And per day, they can get like more than 600, 620, 630 crates. And per crate is 30 eggs. This one is very interesting. Lizard. And here water is not a problem because there's a borehole. That one is what?
The brooder house. The place we used to nurture the small ones.
Okay, the chicks, the small one are there. Okay.
No.
Yes. This place is very big. How many hectares is this?
I don't know.
You don't know.
We are buying it portion by portion.
Ah, small then. Okay, so these are all the feathers. So they are burning the feathers because they need to clean. Every day they have like 46 workers to do all these things. Maybe at night it's very cold here, right?
Very cold.
Oh, they have that white. That is the one that you call chekeleke bangote.
Yes, you know chekeleke.
They have it there. The white birds. Chekeleke bangote, chekeleke bangote. Then you will have the white thing, right, in your nails. You know, Austin tried that one in Nikki Lake. He was doing like this, chekeleke bangote, chekeleke. He didn't see the white, and somebody commented on the video that The white will come out the following morning.
Okay.
But we didn't check, so we don't know. So big. See the eggs. So they harvest 2 times a day. So they will harvest around lunchtime, then in the afternoon they will going to harvest again. Ay, this one is dead.
Yeah, this one is there.
There's one chicken that died. That one is the menu. They're selling it for farmers, right?
Yes.
For farmers. Okay. So the piggery is down there. It needs to be far because of the smell.
And they are not sparing like that. Yes.
Maybe it depends also to the feeds.
Yes.
You're feeding them. Wow. Sea eggs. The workers is there.
We are rearing it. We will take them to the cage. From here, they will go to the cage. We will move
Oh,
them.
there were small chicks before.
Yes.
Okay.
Like this
There's so
one
many.
is 16 weeks now.
Mm-hmm.
Today is second. 16 weeks and 3 days. So in this room, we have the number of 2,000 something. 2,000.
More than 2,000 chicken.
Yes.
So
you see.
16 weeks. So how many weeks before you will put them there?
From next ending of this month.
Ending of this month, they are
Yes,
ready.
Yes, they are ready.
Okay.
Before the ending of this month, they will start laying. Yes.
So they came from the chick and then
yes.
they will grow. So those ones, what
This
are
one
they?
is sick bed.
Okay, so they also you
Yes.
have a hospital of chicken here. Recovery room. There's a nursery for the chicks, and then this one for toddlers. Going to be adult once you're ready. She will go there for delivery. That one is, what is that? That one.
The same thing.
The same. So 2,000, and then once you add them there, the number of that one will increase.
Yes.
So-
Like we will go to that house, the room that will put this one.
Okay, so they
This
have
one
a
is
new
2,000,
house
Yes.
already. Okay. 2,000 something also.
Yes.
So 2,000.
All of them is 10,000 beds.
10,000 birds.
Yes.
Wow. This one is many. Nigerians can eat eggs well.
This is fish pond.
Okay. Catfish.
Yes, catfish.
Yeah, this is the fish ponds, catfish. How many fishes you
I
have
don't know
there?
the number because I'm not the one that is taking care of them.
Okay. So your own is chicken.
My own.
That's your own assignment. Why? There's so many. The chicken there is for human consumption. It's not for eggs. I don't want to go there. Oh. See? Swimming pool of fishes. Catfish. There are many. So this is the one you use for barbecue.
Yeah. But it's the other one, not this one.
Okay, this one is for
It's still small.
still small. So you also transfer it.
The big one is here.
Okay, so you also transfer it.
Can you walk here?
I don't want. I can, but I don't want. This one might fall. So they have a total of 10,000 new birds, new chicken that they will going to add to the 30,000 they have. Oh, Ibo? Hi. Say hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Oibo. How are you? Yeah.
Oh, Ibo. At least you're not calling me China.
Come.
What's in there?
Those ones that is there, they will transfer it.
Oh, okay.
Yes. This one.
Oh,
is
that's
empty
why
cage.
it's empty.
Yes.
This is the empty one. They will transfer everything in this side. But what will happen? Like those chicken over there, once they get old,
They will sell them.
oh, you will going to sell.
Yes.
You will not slaughter them. Okay, just sell.
Yes.
Okay. So how long they can stay here? Those
2 years.
2 years. Okay. That's why you need to get a new one.
Yes. So by next month we will get a new one, so that once we bring those ones in here, then we will bring another small chicks.
Okay.
Yes.
So life cycle.
I'm going to motor.
You're going to Bata?
Yeah.
Wow, a lot of eggs. So people come here to buy eggs. So there's one customer here. So they're putting the eggs inside the car. I'm sweating. This one is many. So we are already relaxing. So we have the Pepsi and we have the biscuit and there's a mini store over there. So somebody bought all those eggs. Those eggs are total of 200 crates. So per crate is 30 pieces of eggs. So somebody just bought that egg. Ah. This is an egg, but default. Egg. Ang kulit. See how it looks. Wow. Oh yeah. So they're spraying water because the weather is hot. Okay.
Spreading the water so that they will have.
They're spreading water. Okay, so they have shower. See, they're showering for hot weather. How are you? Hi.
Don't like to see blood. Each time they see blood, they will go. Before you know it, the one will die.
Yes. Ah. Okay. Wow. You see the one that is spraying the water? That is the owner. That is the cousin of my husband. They're spraying water because the weather is hot. One more thing, they cut the peak of the chicken so that they will not going to kill themselves.